Hmm? Faster jump. Go. Oh, look what mommy found. Okay. Amy, wanna go to Arlington today to play? Yeah? Want to? Are you hugging brother? You love him, but you always do his tutti. Oh, so sweet. So we're going to this place called Thanh Huong Seafood. It's inside this plaza in Arlington, a Vietnamese plaza in Arlington. On Yelp, it has 5 stars out of 5. So apparently it's like the best crawfish, best oyster ever. So let's go try it out. They said that the crawfish is like a 5 out of 5. Like the sauce is like bomb. Thanh Plaza, we're going to the food court to eat. That's what we're doing. It's a very good seafood place in there, apparently. So we're gonna give it a try. Let's go. So hard to push this. It's a very small food court. Hi guys! So we're eating at this place called Thanh Huong Seafood in Arlington. It's supposed to be really good. They have really good crawfish and like snails and mussels. So that's what we're gonna try today. Cái này là gì mẹ? Ốc hương cái gì đó? Ốc hương nướng. Ốc hương nướng. It's escargot grilled. It has like this sauce. Let's see. Let me smell it. It's like a lemon sauce. It smells really good. And then this is a Vietnamese herb called rau ram. So, yeah. What are you eating? Fried rice. Yes. Beckham just ate too. Ngon không?
Cái nước chấm nó làm không ngon. Chấm gì?
Smelling his feet?
Biết cái đó là sao?
Okay. Gớm quá đi. Hi guys, so the escargot. I'll show you guys how to eat, okay? Yummy. So you take a thing and then you just pull it out. So big, so meaty. Focus. So you dip it. Dip it and then eat it with the herb. Pretty fresh. Brandon, put your rice up here, please. The sauce is kind of like a lemongrass sauce kind of thing. Tell them about your rice. Fried rice, yes. There you go. We're eating escargot again. Looks like this.
Ew.
It's grilled with butter.
No.
Yes.
Ew.
I know, you're dirty. Ewy. So you just use the stick and you kind of just pull it out. And it comes out really easily. This is what it looks like. Very meaty. And again, you dip it with the sauce. And then
Để ngồi lên ghế nha. Chơi nha.
dạ, cho nó ngồi lên.
Lấy cái hộp luôn.
Really nice and good. This herb is like really good with all seafood. Oh no, it's focusing on his face. Brayden wants to show you his food.
Oh no.
Good job, baby. Fish. Cái này là nhiều đó không? Sò huyết. I don't know what this is in English. Clam maybe? Has a lemon salt and pepper sauce. This is sò huyết. Nóng quá. Nóng quá, nóng quá.
Yeah.
Con này nó khó dạ. Này sò huyết nướng. Sò huyết nướng. Crawfish, look how big it is. Nóng quá, nóng quá. Garlic butter sauce. And crawfish.
Một bao này ăn.
Ooh, sauce is really good. No, 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 don't touch.
Tên mà mình đi ăn trong cái tiệm.
Yeah.
Chấm. Cái chỗ mà ở như tên mình đi ăn nó có cái nước trắng màu xanh xanh giống nào. Rồi này nó bán này là nó không có cái nước cơm nữa không? Cơm nữa.
This is okay. I think maybe it's because I came when they just opened. The crawfish is not that flavorful. It's fresh, but the sauce isn't as bomb as they said it was. Try some of the sauce. Try some of the sauce. They gave me extra sauce. Let's try it.
Nước rồi uống.
Lát mình chua cô này mình cứ còn nắng cái này đi.
Về nhà làm nước mắm gừng ở nhà ăn ngon ngon. Ba cái đồ quyển.
Yeah. Má rồi ba. Em mày vô, mình ngóc đầu mình vô đó mình nói chua cô cái kia luôn.
Nó ra mình nói nó vô cũng được ai cũng vô.
Cái sauce nó ngon. The sauce is actually really good. Mẹ con nó đang làm gì?
Chạy nhau nhau hết trơn.
What sauce is really good? Like, look at their sauce. Good job, baby. Watch where you're going, okay? I know. Come on. Push. Push. Going shopping with mommy. Brayden, watch out, okay? Guys, so I'm gonna do a little haul that we got, like the food that we got at Yen Cafe. It has like interesting food, so. First one is durian crepe. Let's see. See how it is. Oh. Like it's fresh. Wet. So this is what it looks like. Let's try it. Mmm. Tastes just like durian. Mom.
Vậy.
Ra đây ăn thử. Really good. Ăn y chang sầu riêng luôn. Oh! Wow. So it has cream inside. It's like a durian flavor.
Tủ lạnh cho nó cứng cứng như chút nào.
Để các bạn. Ngon không? Nó có sầu riêng trong đó mà. I just got some bit of no, con mới cắn sầu riêng mà. Ở trong mà giữa nó có sầu riêng á. In the middle it has cream and then it has durian. Hả? Nè mẹ. Đưa mẹ để mẹ để vô tủ lạnh để mà lát ăn. Nè không biết đóng sao nữa. That was really good. May là con mua 2 cái á. 2 hộp cũng ngon quá trời luôn. Ở giữa. This is cream puff. Hả? Ngon lắm. I don't know if I'm gonna bite into this one, but let's try it. It feels fluffy. Actually really good. I like it. Bánh chua này ngon không không?
Vậy.
Bánh chua ngon. I like it. I like it. Ăn thử. That one's good. Còn cái bán này không có dám ăn cái này, con bán này tôi cho mẹ ăn. Này là
bánh gì?
trứng muối á.
Hả?
Tôi có chỉ. Bán này kêu là gì? Bánh trứng muối.
Bánh bông lan trứng muối.
Bánh bông lan trứng muối. Salted egg cake. See? Has shredded pork in it and salted egg. Ngửi ngon. Sorry, it's being grouchy. Come here, baby. Come here. Come mommy. Okay, show them your lollipop. What are you eating? Eating a lollipop. Okay. Okay, the last thing we got is, I got 2 boxes of it. Is this coffee jello flan cake. So it pretty much looks like this. It has coffee layer and then a flan flavor layer. It could be a little sweeter. I already ate this in the car. Like if it was a little sweeter, it would probably be good, but it's still good. goes up. This place is all the way in Arlington. Oh, baby. You're stuck with 2 boys. I mean, we could always use milk. Naan and Laughing Cow cheese.
Good.
So we always get our water at Costco's. Paparazzi. How many are we getting? 3? $2.99 for 40.
Do we need any paper goods?
I'm not sure, boo. I didn't check.
Yeah. That's detergent to wash your clothes. To wash your clothes when they're dirty.
Taking Brayden to a mini zoo. This is my idea of a mini zoo. You see birds, dogs, cats, bunnies, hamsters. Where's my baby? Let's go to the mini zoo. Yeah. I know, they're adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Let's decide which one we want to watch. I know you want to see that one.
Is that a dog?
Oh, sorry.
Is it? I don't want big dogs anymore. Oh my god, it's pink. Brayden.
Did you see the face that he gave you?
Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. Does that look like Molly? That one wants to play. Brayden, you want a husky? Oh my god. Go down. That's all you care about, ball?
That's all I cared about.
Dog too? A bird and a dog? What else did you see?
Dog.
Dog, yes.
What else?
And a cat?
You see a cat and a bunny?
Cat and a bunny?
And a ball? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Yeah. Yeah.
And bring Brayden
Yeah.
down.
Yeah.
The transition is smooth, like this. I'm going to go in here, take the range selection, and I'm just going to select a tiny bit here, and then I'm going to go over here and put it faster. like this. So now that I have the beginning, I'm going to put my music because I like to edit with the beat and with the music.